Well, guys, bear with me. I've watched some of my videos after I posted them, and go, oh my goodness. I'm shaky with the camera, I'm this and that. I'm not like some of you pros out there, but I do have information for you. I pulled off those two old tires here. One of them had a big gouge in the side. Not through the cords, but I don't want to get an out of service from the DOT, so I've got two new recaps. I'm pulled off the other truck I'm not driving now, and I put them on. But here's one stud, two stud, three studs. Uh-oh. There's a stud. It came off with a nut. And at first I used to heat the nut up red hot and almost, and then double nut it and take it off. End up killing a bit of time. Now what I do is get a new stud. They're about 10 bucks. Put a little 80, 90 on the threads. Yep, got some on there. Then I bought this cute little toy here, or adapter, I should say. And let me set the phone down for a moment. Now, hopefully it works. It's worked for me every time, but you know what happens when you video. Had it in reverse there. Okay. What I used to do again was double nut it here, get them super tight, and then try to get them in. Half the time it worked, the other half of the time it didn't, but you saw how quick that went. Now let's try another one. I hope I don't cross thread it. Oops, backwards. Let me put my earmuffs on. As I get older, I find loud noises don't make my ears happy. Well, that's the way it goes. Battery just went poof, and it's dead. I will check the torque on these. Make sure the new ones are torqued in there properly. I think it's 125 pounds for a 5/8 inch bolt. Interesting how this little guy, when the battery goes dead, it stops completely. Then after I put that tire on, I'll show you how I align it. Oh, another little detail. I put those two pieces, what are they, 1/2 inch conduit, I think, on there. And if it's centered differently, I've got a old paint pail there of different size and different lengths ones, and it makes it so much easier sliding the tire on and off. So, thanks for watching.